y'all. So I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. This is the bathroom. They have this mirror here, hugs, and then we have a hair dryer. We have towels, you know, the basics. I could have pulled up the lotion though. And then I have a tub. And then you enter, there's this mirror. And then it's a two beds. This is kind of cool. The park, they gave us free water. They have a safe and they have some cups. Oh, and there's also a fridge. Big and empty, well, small and empty. I need to go to all-inclusive. This painting right here, and guys, look at this. I have a view of the pool, the lazy river. They have a golf course, and yeah, the view is nice. The room is sweet, but it's like nothing wow, but it gets the job done. Girl, it's not an all-inclusive. I'm currently watching the fireworks from Epcot. Then I have the pool below. It's coming from the pool. We're going for a little nighttime swim in this lazy river. This is the restaurant we wanted to go to. They also have a gift shop right here. They have an arcade, but it's an extra cost. The hotel have complimentary bus. Well, probably in the letter, so they'll go to Disney Spring and all the parks.